It's 7:10. We're at the marina. What do we got, Sal?
We got this maintenance boat here on the dock, covered, so it's gonna be pretty nice. About an hour and a half, we'll be done.
And how often do we do this boat?
Every 2 weeks, baby.
This is
Yes,
one of the reasons we don't get rid of our mobile service, because it wouldn't be very practical to have them drop off their boat every 2 weeks to get detailed. So it's here on a hoist. Go with us. We're going to show you guys the condition of the boat and how we clean it up. So the marina provides all of these little carts. So in the carts we have our vacuum, we have our detailing bag, and we have our makeshift mitt on a stick with a high quality, high nap microfiber towel. And we have our detailing bag. In our detailing bag we have all of our towels, interior, exterior towels, sealant towels, and glass towels. We have our brushes on the side, and we have everything we need in this bag to complete a full detail. One thing we don't have, and I didn't fill up, Sal, is our rinseless wash. So we don't have rinseless wash. So looks like we're gonna have to
Owner, the Old Faithful.
Okay, we got to do this though. So go ahead and grab that. So since we forgot our rinseless wash, this is a super concentrated amount of ONR, and then we have some basic distilled water here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dump a little bit of that out. No, you're pouring it the other way. There you go. That's good. So now just pour a little bit in there. We're just going to add a little bit in here because, as we know, you don't need a lot of ONR. That's good. So this is why it's always good to carry a concentrated amount. And we also even have a little bit of Absolute in here. We have like a 1 ounce bottle of Absolute. So, which is enough to take care of a 16 ounce spray bottle. So got our rinseless wash. Got everything we need here. We are going to head down and get started. And we're off. We were trying to get here at 6, but our first job, another maintenance client, she actually went on vacation, so their car was a little bit dirtier than normal. As you guys can see, lots of boats here. It's 7 a.m., still early. And here is the boat. So as you can see, it's pretty well protected. It's actually higher on the hoist this time. So what we do is we're going to get the whole sides. The reason we have the mitt is so we can mitt on a stick, so we can reach down here. But everything is protected. We protected the boat last time, so this is the condition of the boat. And it's just going to need a wipe down. It is a new boat. It's a 2023, so one owner. So yeah, we're going to jump in the boat. We're going to take our shoes off, jump in the boat, and a quick tip, guys, with your keys and cell phones, you want to get those things in your bag. You want to take them out of your pockets if you're going to be climbing in and out of the boat, because you do not want to drop your keys in that water. Got to take off the shoes. The boat's in pretty good condition. Some fingerprints here. Some light dust. So last time we detailed this, we got pretty pretty aggressive and scrubbed everything out really well. It's all protected. We have an interior ceramic on these guys. We got PNS Defender on all of these sections here. And yeah, we scrubbed out all this, so we'll see how easy the cleanup is. So hopefully we can get this thing done in an hour or so. Sal's gonna start with the vacuum. I'm gonna start scrubbing all of the upholstered areas.
Now normally we don't do both. In this case, it's a little different. All the conditions were met in our favor. Number one, the price. We're out here. Number two, the frequency of when we come service this boat. Number three, the conditions of this boat. It's a new boat. Pretty much we're doing a wipe down, just maintaining it. And number four, the working conditions. It's covered. What I mean it's covered, overhang cover, and the boat itself has a cover. When all those conditions are met, then we can provide the service. We're about 40 minutes into the boat detail. We're about done with the interior. Joel's on top, getting the speakers, the intricate areas. I'm doing the final vac on the parts where the seats were lift up. What we have left, we have the exterior. So we probably have about maybe another 20 minutes, 25 minutes tops. For the exterior, we pretty much just have the finishings. That consists of the glass, paint gloss on the glossy surfaces, and it's pretty much a wrap after that.
Now we're going to do a quick wipe down on the exterior of the boat. We're just going to hit it with O&R, hit it with our makeshift mitt on a stick, and then we're going to hit it with paint gloss to give it a little bit of protection. The boat is coated, so this is just going to give it protection and gloss, and it's going to clean up any areas that are hard to reach that we can't really do any heavy scrubbing on because we're not doing a contact wash. So this is going to allow to put protection on it as well as clean it at the same time, those areas that are hard to reach. So that's it. So we're looking at about hour 15, hour 20 wrap up time. Like Sal mentioned before, we don't do a lot of boats, but this is the way we like to do boats, and this is the outcome we like when we do take care of the boats. We want to make sure they're in. We want to make sure we leave these boats looking like brand new. We usually use our foamer, but we so it dwells a little bit longer, but we forgot to fill it up today. So we're just spraying it on right now, letting the O&R encapsulate everything. Sal's over here risking it all. I'm gonna go in with the towel on a stick. Look at that thing. I'm gonna go in with this and just like that. Boom. I like to use a high nap towel, one that's real grabby, so it grabs all that gunk. If you use a towel that's doesn't have a lot of grab, you're not going to pull everything off the surface. This is a coated boat, so cleans up very easily. And I got up to the black from the inside. Get down as much as you can. That way we just kind of go through, give it a quick little wipe. Then I'll go back through, same process with paint gloss to give it some shine, a little bit of quick wax protection, and hit any little areas that we may have missed.
All right, so that's it. Exterior done. Finish it off with paint gloss. Loaded up our cart. And that's the end of the boat. The reason why we finished it off with paint gloss is because it evaporates fast, doesn't leave any streaks, and just enough protection that makes us happy.
Say that again.
And it leaves just enough protection that we like.
Say it again.
And it leaves just enough protection that we all like.
So we're wrapping up at the marina. About an hour and a half.
Yes, sir. Hour and a half. One more client.
And we're done for the day.
Feet will be up.
It's 8:53 right now, so we should probably be done. We got to drive about 20 minutes. 10:15. It's still cool outside. So we're just gonna put these towels away. Put the vacuum away. This pole away. RIP. We had a little casualty with the cord management tool. We're just gonna go put this little cart away and finish up our day.
And that's how we maintenance boats. This is how we keep our job and our life not so complicated. Remember, you're in control of your business. So if you like it hard, you make it hard. We like it more on the easy side. Hope you learned something. Sound you out. We're out.